Good morning. I thought I'd show you how I make a proper barista quality latte at home without spending hundreds of pounds on a fully automatic coffee machine. As a private hire taxi driver, I've really missed during lockdown my coffees, my lattes. As most days I'd be at Heathrow or Birmingham, Manchester, all the airports, Gatwick, and during the day I'd at least have one barista coffee from Starbucks or Cafe Nero as a favourite, or Costa. After a couple of weeks of lockdown, I decided to have a look at the options for making a barista quality latte. We already had a Tassimo pod coffee maker, which is okay, but really doesn't cut it when it comes to a full creamy latte. After quite a bit of research on good old Google, came across this machine. It's a Russell Hobbs filter coffee maker, but it also grinds coffee. It has a coffee grinder in it, so you can use the proper beans, and it only costs around £60. We also bought a Vava milk frother, which does a fantastic job making really creamy, frothy milk, and that's just around £30. So for about £90, you get the full Monty. So let's see how we do it. Starbucks Blonde Espresso Roast, my favourite. They smell good. Just making enough for me, so 2 tablespoonfuls of beans. Grind in the beans. Just takes a few seconds, and that's off now. It's brewing the coffee. Coffee machine doing its thing, smelling great. Smells superb. Should do it. And the milk is nearly done, I think. It'll stop when it's ready. Just takes a couple of minutes. There we go. Oh yeah. I spilled a bit of milk on the table, but look at that. Perfect. There it is. The perfect cup of barista quality latte. Cheers all. Oh, spot on. I've put some links in the description below to both these products on Amazon.